Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the iTUBE token. Now iTUBE is live for pre-sale right now on pigsale.finance. They're already doing very well. They've already passed their soft cap and there's still a whole day left of this pre-sale to go. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, iTUBE. So they have a full audit. So they were audited by Rug-Free Coins, and you can view the audit PDF on PinkSale. They also have a full KYC, which means their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. And they also have the SafeU badge on here as well that you could check out. So they have the SafeU badge, the audit, the KYC. They also have a Discord listed on here, Telegram, Twitter, official webpage, and a little embedded YouTube video that you could watch here, like a trailer. Name of the token is iTUBE, and that is also the ticker symbol. 9 decimal places on this token. So far, they've had 69 different contributors invest in this pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 50 BNB, and they've already passed that. They're at 85.54 BNB, and they still have a whole day left of their pre-sale to go here. Total supply of this token is 100 million tokens. 42.5 million tokens for pre-sale. 25.5 million tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $40,475. This token will be going over to PancakeSwap shortly after this pre-sale is over, so you can get it over there on PancakeSwap, and liquidity is going to be locked for 370 days on PancakeSwap. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, we got 43.5% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 25.5% of the tokens going to liquidity, 10% go to airdrop and fair launch bonus, 9% goes to iTUBE platform, another 5% to platform rewards, 5% goes to central exchange listings, and only 1.8% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there's also a quick audit here by Analytics Audit that you could view in the discussion section here on PinkSale. It says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change buy and sell fees to over 20%. Owner can set max transaction with limits. Owner can't change trading status. And owner can't set blacklist. So there's all sorts of good check marks on there and no warnings or anything like that. No X's or exclamation points warning you that there's something wrong. So yeah, there are lots of security on this token. Big liquidity lock, full audit, quick audit, KYC, SafeU badge. And then if you go over to their official webpage, that is itube.finance, you can find a full white paper, app information, token sale, frequently asked questions, advisors, partners, all sorts of things on here. So let's see if their white paper works actually. And it does work. It's a 16-page white paper. It looks like it's even been updated. White paper v2.1. So it goes, yeah, so it says the rapid development of technology has led to the penetration of wider coverage of the internet, mobile communications, and smartphones around the world. The internet has changed how and where people think, live, do business, and gain access to entertainment. This new democracy has given a rise to a new class of citizens, the creators. They are the future of entrepreneurial scaling, resulting in the formation of an entirely new economy centered around them, the creator economy. iTUBE is a decentralized video platform for the young generation to share their content videos. iTUBE leverages blockchain technology to guarantee a secure environment, transparent and secure payment. iTUBE provides the best environment for content creators to create multiple income streams for themselves, and at the same time, iTUBE allows users to explore specific content. iTUBE introduces its digital token for payments and revenue management for creators and audiences. These tokens give us new possibilities in the video industry, leveraging the speed and redundancy of a decentralized iTUBE can send scale and delivery of thousands of videos per second in a very decentralized manner. The smart contract on the blockchain makes iTUBE the best way and best place for creators who can share their passion for content. Everything is transparently done in the iTUBE smart contract. So the consistently evolving video commerce sector has exposed the need to find technological solutions and business models to spur a paradigm shift. Such a transformation would allow content creators, their audience, and stakeholders to pursue their goals and harmoniously achieve their success. Together with our community and partners, we create a specialized environment, a new way to listen, watch, and enjoy the content. It's a place where every artist can distribute their content and monetize through our platform, where users can reward the creator for their favorite kinds of content, and where precise, transparent, and automated rules enforced through blockchain technology run the ecosystem and not a small number of influential platforms. The largest online platform for consuming video content, YouTube, is notorious for low-paying ad-based revenue with minor signs of improvement. Revenue models have changed drastically as well. Video platforms use a market share revenue model. Content creators earn accordingly to the number of views for their videos in proportion to all the pieces streamed on that platform. So it goes over the market analysis of the video industry on their white paper and talks about the amount of money that influencers make and stuff like that. And then it goes over blockchain and the crypto industry. So it gives you history basically of the crypto side and then the video streaming side. And yeah, we kind of get the idea. I mean, it's a decentralized YouTube basically for crypto. It's got watch to earn. So basically the audience can earn by watching. And then the creator can monetize their content and earn that way. And it's got better UI, UX. And yeah, so how to earn basically: download the app, complete profile, connect wallet, refer a friend, watch a video, like a video, daily check-ins, subscribe to iTubers, importing YouTube videos to your account. By sharing iTube videos, the users will, after future builds, be able to use the iTube tokens to build more actions. And yeah, so it's got transaction tax if you're going to buy this or sell this on PancakeSwap. Looks like a total of 6% tax. 2% goes to marketing, 1% iTube development, and oh no, sorry, it's only 3%. So 3% tax on buys and sales, and it's just 1% development, 2% marketing. And that's basically about it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about iTube? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.